we always used to say, AAP is a B team of the BJP. BJP wants to divide the Congress votes. For that only they are operating through, because they want to occupy the opposition space. So they are only funding up. That was the statement we have given long before also. Now you people will agree, because recently Nitin Gadkari, when he came to Goa, he has openly acknowledged our own statements that AAP will put a check for Congress, and because of AAP, BJP will come back to power like that. So that it is now the people of the Goa has to decide. If they want to defeat BJP government, it is not AAP, only Congress can.